back to Mechland Cadets. Today we're going to put the rear sticker on this 1772. In future videos we're going to be putting the side decals on. I measure between here and here. It puts you about 7 13/16. I just draw a little bit of a pencil mark right there. I'm going to put you in a stand. I'll show you exactly how I do it, putting these on. I have some soapy water I'm going to spray on it. Wet it. Make sure it's really wet. Peel this back right here. And right about there is about right in the center. I'm going to take a squeegee. See if we can just peel that back, but I bet you we won't be able to. Actually, we're going to be able to. So there she is, centered pretty good. The fenders aren't in perfect shape, so it does have a little bit it's not really smoothed out real well. But that's how I put them on there, and this one is ready to go out the door. So everyone have a great day, and we'll talk to you a bit later.